Swerve Shot, mastering the art of curving in football. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting aspect of football, or soccer, for our American friends, the swerve shot. This technique is not just a show of skill, but a strategic move that can change the course of a game. So, whether you're a football enthusiast or just love learning new English phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive in. A swerve shot in football is a kick where the ball curves dramatically in midair. This isn't just any ordinary kick. It requires skill, precision, and understanding of physics. The term, swerve, here signifies the sudden change in direction. It's often used by players to bypass defenders or to surprise the goalkeeper. So, how does a ball suddenly change its direction in the air? It's all about physics. When a player hits the ball off center and applies a spin, it creates an imbalance in the air pressure around the ball. This imbalance causes the ball to move in a curved path, hence the swerve. This phenomenon is also known as the Magnus effect. Some of the most memorable moments in football history involve swerve shots. Think of players like David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, or Lionel Messi. Their ability to bend the ball at just the right angle has led to some spectacular goals. We'll look at a few iconic swerve shots and break down how they were executed. Want to try your hand at a swerve shot? It's all about practice. We'll go through some training techniques and tips on how to hit the ball, the angle of approach, and the part of your foot that should make contact. Remember, it's not just about power, it's about precision and technique. The swerve shot is a perfect example of how beauty and science can blend in sports. Whether you're a player hoping to add this skill to your repertoire or just a fan appreciating the art, understanding the swerve shot adds a new layer to your football experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been both informative and entertaining. Keep practicing, and maybe you'll score a swerve shot in your next game.